Last week, I made a video with regard to new processing changes in the diversity visa program for the winners starting at this moment who are processed the DV 2022 going forward. They are no longer be required to send the documents to the Kentucky Consular Center, KCC. Remember, it used to be one of the process. And I forgot to answer one question. I assume because after making that video, people will not ask this question. And the people have been asking this question, so I'm making a very short video to answer that particular question. And I'm going straight to the question. The question is, will I be required to send the documents since the Kentucky Consular Center requested the documents? When I made the video and also make a separate video to ask, to say for the people who have already submitted the documents, what should that mean to them? But people are asking, last week or the whatever couple days before this new change, KCC, Kentucky Consular Center, sent the email to ask me for the documents. So should I go ahead, send the documents to Kentucky Consular Center, the KCC, because they emailed me to ask for those documents? What should that to be able to be applicable to other people? The people who received the email from KCC to send the documents, will they be required or are they supposed to go ahead and still send the documents? The answer is very, very simple. From December 9th, 2021, you are no longer allowed. You are not allowed to send the documents. The process of sending the documents to KCC has been removed. That process is no longer the process. So, if they send the email maybe 2 days, 1 week before, or couple days before December 9th, you got that email, or you got the email on December 9th, but it was earlier before they made that press conference or the update in general, you can simply say that way because they updated on their website. It means if you go ahead and send the document you want to feel better, yeah, you can do that, but they are going to destroy all the documents which have been sent to KCC. So if you send the documents, they are going to destroy. So don't send any document even if you received the email a couple days ago. So let me go and read what they say to remind you. This was last updated on December 9th, 2021 for the Diversity Visa 2022 update. They say, effective immediately, like effectively on starting from that December 9th. So, effective immediate, individuals who were randomly selected to participate in the diversity visa program for fiscal year 2022 or 2022 DV 2022 selectees only need to submit to the Kentucky Consular Center the KCC DSC 260 immigrant visa form for themselves and any accompanying family members' information. Once the DSC 260 is received for all applicants associated with the case will be eligible to be scheduled for the visa interview. So rather, all supporting documents, so they say the V2022 selectees no longer must submit to KCC any other required supporting documents for the DV 2022 in order to be eligible to be scheduled for in-person interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate. So it's very, very simple what they are saying. What they are saying is effective immediately, effectively from December 9th, even if 1 day before you are asked to submit the documents, don't submit them. Because it used to be a requirement, it used to be a process. That process is no longer there. So let it make it easy for you. Don't send any documents to Kentucky Consular Center. If you are the DV lottery winner. I know for some people you have looked for the documentations, you are finding the documents, you went to get the police clearance, but now don't send them. All the documents, you will take the documents, going with those documents to the visa interview. As I said, this change is something it used to be. Like up to DV 2018, DV lottery winners didn't submit the documents to Kentucky Consular Center. The documents requirement to be sent to the Kentucky Consular Center started DV 2019. That means from October 1st, 2018 is when they started for DV 2019 to request for the documents. But before that, there was no document requirements to be sent to KCC. The documents, you go with the documents to the visa interview. That's what it's supposed to be. So I believe I answered that question. Because when I explained effective immediate, you don't send the documents, I assume you understood that even if they requested the documents a day before December 9th, that means you are no longer supposed to send. But people still are asking the documents, are asking the question like, should I send because they emailed me? No, don't send. And if you go ahead and send that email, they're not going to process anything because the process is no longer there. So that was the quick video. I want to make sure that you understand that one and you are good to go.